In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Upwork in 2025. If you're looking to jump into the world of freelancing or seeking new opportunities, Upwork is a fantastic platform to start with. Let's dive in and explore each step to get you going. First, you'll want to visit the Upwork website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in upwork.com. This will take you to the Upwork homepage where you'll find options to either sign in if you already have an account or to sign up if you're new to the platform. Since this video assumes you're just starting, let's focus on the sign up process. Now, signing up on Upwork is straightforward. Look for the sign up button and click on it. You can choose to create your account using your email address, or you can connect through an existing Google or Apple account for a quicker setup. Fill in the necessary information and follow the prompts to complete the registration. Don't forget to verify your email address by clicking on the confirmation link that Upwork will send you. Once you've signed up and verified your account, it's time to complete your profile. Your profile is like your online resume, so giving it your best effort is crucial. Start by adding a professional profile picture, as clients are more likely to engage with freelancers whom they feel connected to. Fill out the sections with your skills, education, and previous work experience. Write a compelling profile overview, a few sentences that explain who you are, what you do, and what you're passionate about. Make sure you also set your hourly rate and availability so potential clients know when and how much they can hire you for. Next, you're ready to apply for jobs. Head over to the Find Work section where you'll discover various job listings that match your skills. When you spot a job that piques your interest, click on it to read the full description and requirements. If it aligns with your skills and experience, you can submit a proposal. Tailor your proposal to each job. Highlight your relevant experience and explain why you're the right fit while keeping it concise and engaging. Remember, your proposal is your first impression, so make it count. Finally, let's discuss optimizing your account. Optimizing your Upwork account involves continually refining your profile and staying updated with the latest tweaks and features that Upwork rolls out. React to feedback from clients, continuously update your skills and projects, and keep an eye out for any changes on the platform that might offer new opportunities. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully navigating Upwork and landing your first freelance gigs. We hope this guide has been helpful in setting you up for success on Upwork. Happy freelancing!